You've got the pre-open itself, which is indicating a sharply lower downtick, 969 points lower for the Sensex alone when it comes to the pre-open rates, and the Nifty as well down 326 points. There comes the opening bell. Fingers crossed on this one. 500 points is what we're working with. Let's see where we actually go from here. After closing at 98.30, sure enough, we are going to take a huge leap back this morning. And there come the first rates on your screens right now, with the Nifty plunging about 3.5%, 9,500. That's the first tick straight away. I can see the advanced decline ratio as well on my screens, sharply in favor of the declines, with 957 stocks standing to the red line right now. Nifty Bank, and we were just chatting about this with our chartists as well, as to how the financials will yet again drag down the markets lower. It's a 5.5% fall for the Nifty Bank alone, 4.25% done for Sensex. And my sense is that we're not quite done with the opening gap, because after that opening gap down, we're selling a little bit further into that. Nikunj was just chatting about the three horsemen which have kept the markets in shape up until now. They also seem to be coming down with the rest of the market. Case in point being Reliance Industries. Irrespective of all the positive news, the news on rights issue, the earnings, especially the geo performance or the digital business for that matter, and then this news coming in with Silver Lake as well, has not left Reliance in the green. Reliance continues to reel under pressure. It's down about 2% as I speak. Having said that, it's a lot better than some of the other participants. I mean, look what's happening to an ICICI Bank. Looks what's happening to an SBI. Even technology is not getting spared in today's trading session, because I can see tech names as well fall down quite heavily. Just a flavor of what's happening with the broader market as well before I throw it back to Nikunj. Bharat Forge down 10%, Jindal Steel down 8.25%, Bandhan Bank down 8.5%, Motherson Sumi down 8.5%, and Jindal Steel as well lower by about 8.25%, along with SAIL, which had a few green days last week. Techem as well, after its numbers, 6.25% lower. Godrej Properties down 5.25%. Adani names, Power, Ports, both down. Axis Bank as well down by about 5.5%. Bharti, to some extent, United Spirits, which is holding out. Glenmark marginally higher, you could say, and maybe UBL. That's the only significant winner today. So guess on expected lines, Nikunj. We've taken that leap back finally.
It is one of those days, Aisha, where you cannot find a bright spot. It's a hard opening. It's a tough day. Sometimes all the bad news comes together. So I guess right now it's HUL volume growth, GST collection, global sell-off, the fact that Buffett is saying that he's not finding any value. And I'm sure my next guest, Ramdev Agrawal, when I'll get him to react to Warren Buffett's speech, he will also be reacting in the same manner as how a lot of market men have said, that how can Buffett not find value in this kind of a market when he's saying that you should buy equities.